Good evening, YouTube fans and loyal subscribers. It's me, Web702. Today I'm going to be giving you a different type of content, a whole new experience. This is a whole new experience for me, so I'd like to share this with all my loyal subscribers, of course. Thank you all for who have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Like, comment how I'm doing. Share it to all social media. Please do so. So on to the story is, okay, my trustful steed here, my 2004 Chevy Blazer. It's time to give her to someone that has more time to take care of her, keep her going. I just do not have the time to do so, and I don't really have the money to keep throwing into her. So on that note, yes, we're here at Carvana. I did order a car from here. It is in mid-level of the vending machine. So next time you see me, we will be all experiencing at the same time a whole new experience in car buying via Carvana. All right, folks, I'm walking up. As you can see, mostly every car right here, as a matter of fact, they're taking a car right now. Mostly every car on this vending machine has been purchased, and there's probably someone inside here now getting their new vehicle. Look at this, watch this, this is awesome. I don't know if you can see it. I don't want to get too close, I'm not sure if we're technically supposed to be on property until set time, because I'm set for 7:30. But yeah, it takes the car from the top there, brings it down to here. This is awesome. This is a whole new level of car buying experience. And by the way, Carvana, thanks for giving me the chance to get a vehicle that I've actually always wanted in. All right, I'm taking a dive. I'm gonna be going in right now to pick up my new baby. Watch the doors be locked. Of course. And I'm scheduled at 7:30. No car yet. Well, this is an awesome thing. This is so awesome. Well, at least you see the roof of it. Oh, and the halo goes right above it. Let me get that. This is a totally new experience for you all. Check that out. There's my traveling car. Alright. Go check it out. I'm literally doing this for the whole experience.
I'm gonna go around back and drive it out for you. Here's contact.
Thank you. So for those who want to experience a new experience in car buying, this is how it is at Carvana. Say hello to 100% better gas mileage, a better traveler, overall just better vehicle. I think it's time for me to spoil myself a little bit. This is so unique. Oh yeah, and by the way, she's turboed. Got that Fiat Abarth engine under the hood. That's that good right there. Especially when I'm heading out to Tonopah or Pioche and I need to pass another vehicle. So I'm going from a 2004 to a 2014. Here comes my new baby. You have no clue how exciting this is right now. Oh, look at her. Just look at her. Oh. All right, folks. I'm going to call it here. You've seen it. You experienced it with me. Now it's time to have a good old time with good old girl. All right. See you on the dark side.